Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Tiny.Tailor and I thought today you could tag along as I bring one of my sketches to life. Let's go! Alright, so this is the sketch that I want to bring to life today. Please don't make fun of my drawing skills. I know I'm not an artist. I only recently started to sketch because I noticed it helps me with the creative process and helps me visualize what I want to make. Before, I would kind of just work from an image in my head, but this is definitely better. So what I want to do today is a two-piece outfit. We're gonna start with a bodysuit, rather simple design, long bell sleeves and a turtleneck. And the second piece is going to be this fun, well, I hope so, fun buckle dress. That's gonna have a more intricate, busy and complex design with lots of buckles and fringes and all the good stuff. So let's get to work. Alright, so for this outfit, I'm gonna be using my doll Jessie. She's a Neo Blythe doll. And right now I am taking the measurements for the bodysuit. Once I'm done taking the measurements, I will look at my notes and start drafting the pattern. What you can see here is me doing the back side, as I already did the front side of the bodysuit off camera. After I'm done with the pattern, I will use it to make a prototype, and I do that because usually I will want to make adjustments, or I will have to make adjustments or changes, and this way I have a bit more room for error and I also don't waste any of my good fabrics. And there you have it, the prototype is all done, and as I anticipated, there's going to be a few changes specifically to the crotch area where I need to give a bit more seam allowance, and I also changed the design of the sleeves. But other than that, I think we are ready to go ahead and make it. So this is the color scheme I chose for this outfit. I am going to use the white and the lighter shade of blue for the bodysuit, and the other shades are going to be used for the dress. Hello, Tiny.Tailor from the future here. I know you might have expected the video to continue with me finishing the outfit like I initially planned, but life got in the way a little bit, and it turns out it's more difficult than I thought to sew and edit and do it all by myself. So I figured it might be a little bit more doable for me and perhaps more exciting for you if I kept this one short and split the video in 3 parts. Something to look forward to. In the next one, I want to finish the bodysuit and start the prototype for the dress, and in the final part I'm gonna show you the complete look, how it looks on Jessie, and all the good stuff. So thank you so much if you got this far. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, it helps a lot. You may also want to subscribe if you like doll content or handmade miniature stuff. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye!